Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, you will get to assemble the teddy bookmark. So let's hop in. I'm Katy. I am a mother of three that loves to crochet and knit. And this tutorial is about the teddy bear pattern, bookmark pattern that you can find in my Etsy shop. And this is the tutorial of how you can assemble them. So we are taking the teddy bear. This is the face and the ears. The ears are already been sewn on, and we have the body here. Here is the body, and here we have the muzzle, and we will start from here. I'm going into both stitches like this. And pull tight, and now I'm going here in the middle of the two, and I am going in the middle of the muzzle like this, and I'm making an eye. So first I'm making this one like this. I'm aligning it so it will be. So this is the eye. I'm going out here. Okay, I'm looking if it's on the center. Yes, then going in, and the other one will be here. Yes, like this and like this. So it's an eye, that eye, and filling it. I'm going here under and making that knot. Cutting the yarn, making a knot like this. So this part is over, and now I am sewing on the bear's face. So this is the face, and I'm centering it. This is here like this. So now I'm centering the face and hiding in the ends from the black thread like this. So always keep in mind to have the teddy bear on the middle. So don't forget, you always have to have your teddy bear muzzle on the middle, up like this here and see from here where I have to be, like this. Then I am pulling this one, and with this one right here I'm going in here. So right here is the middle, like this, inside. Here on the inside, like this. First I'm going in through the nose and coming out like this. I'm coming outside here. Let's see. Yay! We did it! Now I am making the knot, the ending knot, like this. And now I am pulling in the teddy bear. Pull it out, cut it off. Now it's perfect. I am making the eyes. I'm taking black thread This is a simple trick that I learned and helps me a lot. Always keep the yarn in my fingers and going with the needle in. This way you will always put the thread in the needle. Now let's see. I think if I make the eyes here, yes, and I will make the eyes here. Nope. Yeah, one and the second, like this. Okay, one here, leaving the yarn to make a knot by the end, and I have one, and the second is here. So I'm going out here. Like this one. So now I will pull. So this will be the eyes. Now for the eyes, I am yarning over the needle for 5 times. And going in like this. Five times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this. Going in somewhere like this, and then coming out here, making the knot. So I finished here. Now I'm going out with the thread. Okay, so I pull it hard so I can first cut this yarn here, pull harder to get it out, and now I'm cutting this too, and here is the bear with the eyes. Yay, yay! Like this. Now, for some reasons, I don't have enough thread, and I will try to sew the bear to his body with the thread that I have here. So let's hop in and begin. Oops. I have sewed the hand too, so no, it's better. And going in here and going out on the other side, on the other side. Oops. Like this, yay, 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 like this. So now I'm making, going in, sorry for that. Oops. Usually I leave a long thread, but this time I forgot. I don't know why, but I forgot to leave a long thread. Pulling the thread out on the other side. Wait. Ouch, that hurt. That was my finger and not the teddy bear. Now I am making here a knot like this, putting the two yarns together like this. Now I'm going in and going out somewhere with all the yarn. If it's too much on me, so like this, and then cutting the rest off like this. And this is the teddy bookmark assembling. Thank you for watching.